Welcome to Speak Perfect English, your space to learn English speaking step by step, confidently, fluently, and perfectly.
What is nature?
Nature is everything, not made by humans.
What is nature?
Nature is everything, not made by humans.
Where can you see nature?
In forests, oceans, parks, and skies.
Where can you see nature?
In forests, oceans, parks, and skies.
Why is nature important?
It gives us air, water, and food.
Why is nature important?
It gives us air, water, and food.
Who protects nature?
Everyone should protect nature.
Who protects nature?
Everyone should protect nature.
When do trees grow best?
In spring and summer.
When do trees grow best?
In spring and summer.
What do plants need?
Sunlight, water, and soil.
What do plants need?
Sunlight, water, and soil.
Where do lions live?
In African grasslands.
Where do lions live?
In African grasslands.
Why do bees matter?
They pollinate flowers and crops.
Why do bees matter?
They pollinate flowers and crops.
Who studies nature?
Scientists and explorers.
Who studies nature?
Scientists and explorers.
When does it rain most?
In the rainy season.
When does it rain most?
In the rainy season.
What is a forest?
A large area with many trees.
What is a forest?
A large area with many trees.
Where do birds nest?
In trees, cliffs, or buildings.
Where do birds nest?
In trees, cliffs, or buildings.
Why are oceans blue?
Because water reflects the sky.
Why are oceans blue?
Because water reflects the sky.
Who plants trees?
Gardeners, farmers, and volunteers.
Who plants trees?
Gardeners, farmers, and volunteers.
When do flowers bloom?
Usually in spring.
When do flowers bloom?
Usually in spring.
What is a desert?
A dry place with little rain.
What is a desert?
A dry place with little rain.
Where do fish live?
In rivers, lakes, and seas.
Where do fish live?
In rivers, lakes, and seas.
Why are trees tall?
To get more sunlight.
Why are trees tall?
To get more sunlight.
Who cuts down trees?
Loggers and some industries.
Who cuts down trees?
Loggers and some industries.
When do birds migrate?
In winter or fall.
When do birds migrate?
In winter or fall.
What is a mountain?
A high, rocky landform.
What is a mountain?
A high, rocky landform.
Where is the Amazon?
In South America.
Where is the Amazon?
In South America.
Why do animals fight?
For food or territory.
Why do animals fight?
For food or territory.
Who saves wildlife?
Conservationists and rescuers.
Who saves wildlife?
Conservationists and rescuers.
When do animals sleep?
Day or night depends on species.
When do animals sleep?
Day or night depends on species.
What is pollution?
Dirtying the air, water, or land.
What is pollution?
Dirtying the air, water, or land.
Where is clean air found?
In forests or remote places.
Where is clean air found?
In forests or remote places.
Why do we recycle?
To protect the environment.
Why do we recycle?
To protect the environment.
Who pollutes rivers?
Factories and careless people.
Who pollutes rivers?
Factories and careless people.
When do leaves fall?
In autumn.
When do leaves fall?
In autumn.
What causes wind?
Air moving from high to low pressure.
What causes wind?
Air moving from high to low pressure.
Where do turtles live?
In oceans or on beaches.
Where do turtles live?
In oceans or on beaches.
Why do flowers smell good?
2. Attract insects.
Why do flowers smell good?
2. Attract insects.
Who studies the sky?
Astronomers and weather experts.
Who studies the sky?
Astronomers and weather experts.
When is the sky orange?
At sunrise or sunset.
When is the sky orange?
At sunrise or sunset.
What makes a rainbow?
Sunlight and rain.
What makes a rainbow?
Sunlight and rain.
Where do deer live?
In forests and grasslands.
Where do deer live?
In forests and grasslands.
Why is the sea salty?
From minerals in the water.
Why is the sea salty?
From minerals in the water.
Who lives in jungles?
Tigers, monkeys, and parrots.
Who lives in jungles?
Tigers, monkeys, and parrots.
When do volcanoes erupt?
Rarely, but with warning signs.
When do volcanoes erupt?
Rarely, but with warning signs.
What is a glacier?
A large, slow, moving ice mass.
What is a glacier?
A large, slow, moving ice mass.
Where are coral reefs?
In warm, shallow seas.
Where are coral reefs?
In warm, shallow seas.
Why do animals camouflage?
To hide from danger.
Why do animals camouflage?
To hide from danger.
Who helps the earth?
Eco-friendly people.
Who helps the earth?
Eco-friendly people.
When is the sun strongest?
At noon.
When is the sun strongest?
At noon.
What is a storm?
A strong weather event.
What is a storm?
A strong weather event.
Where do penguins live?
In Antarctica.
Where do penguins live?
In Antarctica.
Why do trees lose leaves?
To save water in cold weather.
Why do trees lose leaves?
To save water in cold weather.
Who plants flowers?
Gardeners and nature lovers.
Who plants flowers?
Gardeners and nature lovers.
When do frogs croak?
At night, often, in rain.
When do frogs croak?
At night, often, in rain.
What is thunder?
Sound, from lightning.
What is thunder?
Sound, from lightning.
Where is the sky?
Above the earth.
Where is the sky?
Above the earth.
Why is the moon bright?
It reflects the sun's light.
Why is the moon bright?
It reflects the sun's light.
Who protects animals?
Wildlife rangers.
Who protects animals?
Wildlife rangers.
When do bees work?
In daylight.
When do bees work?
In daylight.
What is a river?
Flowing water, from land to sea.
What is a river?
Flowing water, from land to sea.
Where do clouds form?
In the sky from water vapor.
Where do clouds form?
In the sky from water vapor.
Why is the earth round?
Gravity shaped it that way.
Why is the earth round?
Gravity shaped it that way.
Who studies bugs?
Entomologists.
Who studies bugs?
Entomologists.
When do crops grow?
In spring or summer.
When do crops grow?
In spring or summer.
What is lightning?
A flash of electricity in the sky.
What is lightning?
A flash of electricity in the sky.
Where is the North Pole?
At the top of the earth.
Where is the North Pole?
At the top of the earth.
Why do plants grow?
They need to make food.
Why do plants grow?
They need to make food.
Who uses compost?
Gardeners and farmers.
Who uses compost?
Gardeners and farmers.
When is snow common?
In winter.
When is snow common?
In winter.
What is the moon?
Earth's natural satellite.
What is the moon?
Earth's natural satellite.
Where are polar bears found?
In the Arctic.
Where are polar bears found?
In the Arctic.
Why do people hike?
To enjoy nature.
Why do people hike?
To enjoy nature.
Who climbs mountains?
Adventurers and climbers.
Who climbs mountains?
Adventurers and climbers.
When do leaves turn red?
In fall.
When do leaves turn red?
In fall.
What are stars?
Hot, glowing balls of gas.
What are stars?
Hot, glowing balls of gas.
Where do ants live?
In colonies, underground.
Where do ants live?
In colonies, underground.
Why do wolves howl?
To communicate.
Why do wolves howl?
To communicate.
Who grows food?
Farmers.
Who grows food?
Farmers.
When do bees sting?
When they feel threatened.
When do bees sting?
When they feel threatened.
What is soil?
Earth where plants grow.
What is soil?
Earth where plants grow.
Where is Everest?
In the Himalayas.
Where is Everest?
In the Himalayas.
Why do people go camping?
To connect with nature.
Why do people go camping?
To connect with nature.
Who studies trees?
Dendrologists.
Who studies trees?
Dendrologists.
When is the best time to hike?
Morning or late afternoon.
When is the best time to hike?
Morning or late afternoon.
What is air made of?
Gases like oxygen and nitrogen.
What is air made of?
Gases like oxygen and nitrogen.
Where is the Sahara?
In Africa.
Where is the Sahara?
In Africa.
Why do some animals hibernate?
To survive cold seasons.
Why do some animals hibernate?
To survive cold seasons.
Who takes care of forests?
Forest rangers.
Who takes care of forests?
Forest rangers.
When do mushrooms grow?
After rain.
When do mushrooms grow?
After rain.
What makes fireflies glow?
A chemical in their bodies.
What makes fireflies glow?
A chemical in their bodies.
Where do whales go?
They migrate across oceans.
Where do whales go?
They migrate across oceans.
Why are bees dying?
From pesticides and habitat loss.
Why are bees dying?
From pesticides and habitat loss.
Who cleans up beaches?
Volunteers and organizations.
Who cleans up beaches?
Volunteers and organizations.
When does fog appear?
In the early morning.
When does fog appear?
In the early morning.
What is a habitat?
A place where animals live.
What is a habitat?
A place where animals live.
Where do crocodiles live?
In rivers and swamps.
Where do crocodiles live?
In rivers and swamps.
Why are wetlands important?
They filter water and support life.
Why are wetlands important?
They filter water and support life.
Who watches stars?
Astronomers and dreamers.
Who watches stars?
Astronomers and dreamers.
When is Earth Day?
April 22nd.
When is Earth Day?
April 22nd.
What is a canyon?
A deep valley with steep sides.
What is a canyon?
A deep valley with steep sides.
Where is Yellowstone?
In the United States.
Where is Yellowstone?
In the United States.
Why do we love nature?
It gives peace and beauty.
Why do we love nature?
It gives peace and beauty.
Who should save nature?
All of us.
Who should save nature?
All of us.
When should we act?
Right now.
When should we act?
Right now.